Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we want to tell you about the weekly task 5 super lab. First of all, I want to introduce myself and my group consists of 5 people. I am Muhammad Lanang and then Faik, Musa, Zarfan, and Samsul. In this super lab consists of two topologies. The namely is tree topology and star topology, and also consists of 3 routers, 6 switches, and several clients. The essence of this topology is so that all clients can connect to each other and then get the internet.
Okay guys, in this case, I will config IP like a topology and I have entering IP in router 1. I'm entering IP at ether 2 and ether 3 because in ether 1 I use DHCP client from cloud. Okay, and at router 2 I have successfully entering IP and at router 3 I have successfully to entering IP. And now I will make a OSPF routing. I will start from router 1. Firstly, you must entering Winbox and click routing and then OSPF and click tab instance and then click default, and in router 1 I will give router ID 1.1.1.1 and I will choose a step 1 and redistribute connected route, apply, and then click network. In tab network, I will entering the network from IP router like this 0/30 apply and dot 10.10.4/30 0/24. Okay, and because I done config at router 2 and router 3, so I will configuration. Okay, in router 2, click routing OSPF like router 1 In tab instance, I will give router ID 2.2.2.2 and at the distribute connected routes, I will choose as type 1 and at tab network, I will entering the IP from router to IP network. Okay, 10.10.10.0/30. Okay, and at router 3, click routing OSPF and I will give router ID 3.3.3.3 and then click as step 1 play. I will entering IP network 10.10.10.4/30 play network and I will monitoring at IP route. Okay, wait a moment. Wait. Maybe I can try to uh, ping 10.10.10, maybe two. Okay, okay, because directly connect and at router 2 ping 10.10.10 press and okay. So I successfully to ping at router 3 from router 2 and then I will ping from router 3 to router 2. Hmm, 10.10.10 dot okay, successfully guys. I will check IP route. Nah, if you successfully, you can find the AO or dynamic active OSPF at router list. Okay, and then I will uh, set DNS and checklist allow remote request, and then I will config NAT source NAT or interface router 1 because uh, the route to internet is from root ether 1 action squared and then at router 2 I will skip because I have config at router 2 and IP firewall, so like a router tree, chain source NAT, device header 1, action masquerade, and router 1, like a router 3, and router 2, and in NAT, chain, you can choose source NAT or interface header 1, because in the topology, we will connect to internet for what header 1. Action masquerade. So, thing, uh, exit. Okay, success. Okay, success. Nomor itu, in, okay, because in order to host, I will uh, set static routing to internet gateway. The gateway is IP from router 1, 10.10.10.1, try again. Okay, success. I will add static route to internet with gateway from IP router 1, 10.10.10.5. Okay, thing, okay, success to connect internet. I will try. And I successfully connect three router 1, 2, 3 with IP address same in the topology and success to connect internet. Okay, maybe I will. Okay, maybe just it. Configuration at router 1, 2, and 3. My friend will continue my configuration. Okay.
Okay. Then here I will explain the network topology on the left side. Core 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 RTL 2 is connected to core RTL 1, which already has internet access. Um, on core RTL 2, the IP 10.10.10.9 is assigned toward SW1. The default route is add to the gateway on core RTL1 and not masquerade is configuration soal network access internet. Okay. connect to via Winbox. Okay, connect to router 2 and and interface add VLAN okay, add VLAN 10 VLAN ID 10 interface VLAN interface header 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 2 okay, apply okay, copy and create VLAN 20 VLAN ID 20 enter to um add copy create VLAN 18 and VLAN ID 18 interface enter to okay, apply okay, okay. Interface enter to um use enter VLAN 10 VLAN to 10 20 10 13 and 20 20 and add correct IP address to VLAN and IP address add um, VLAN address 168 point 10 point 10 point 1 slash 24 interface VLAN 10 apply copy next 192.168 uh, tuning okay slash 24 and interface VLAN 20 apply copy change 3 13 uh, interface second VLAN apply okay, okay, okay. And create um, um, IP to interface satu IP address 10.10.10.9 slash 13 right okay. Next configuration to set one connect to switch one okay one configuration add that bridge um add bridge name change bridge fill okay like tab port add port interface one to begin sealant sealant default PPID one apply okay add interface to trunking connect to okay, ether one and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
ether one and ether two header connect to trunking okay access access VLAN and create interface ether three and create ether three and VLAN with ID 10 slide copy ether four with ID 10 slide copy interface ether five with ID creating. Apply, copy, enter, save, ID, creating. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Our interface connect to bridging and tap VLAN, add VLAN ID, VLAN ID 10, trunking, trunking, ether 1 and ether 2, access, ether 3 and ether 4, right? Okay, add, VLAN 20, and trunking, ether 1 and ether 2, apply. Okay, add, VLAN ID, okay, okay, creating and trunking ether 1 and ether 2, untouch, ether 5 and after ether 6, right? Okay, okay, and and next to switch switch to connect to switch to switch switch to okay, connect to switch to and bridging add bridge, uh create change name bridge VLAN. Oh ya, disclaimer, bridging active VLAN filtering. Okay, okay, next to switch to and add bridging apply. Okay, port, add port, ether 2 trunking, ether 1 trunking, add ether 2 okay, ether 2, ether 2 VLAN 10, VLAN ether 2 and ether 3 VLAN 10, ether 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 4, ether 4 and ether 5 VLAN 10. Okay, okay, VLAN 10, I copy and ether 3 ID 10, 5, okay, okay, add the ID 20 and interface 4, ether 4, right, copy, change interface 5, right, okay, okay, add interface 6, FAID 310, right, copy, change interface ether 7, FAID 310, okay, okay. Okay, and next tab VLAN, add VLAN ID, VLAN ID 10, trunk ether 1, angkat ether 2 and ether 3, right, okay. Add VLAN 20, trunking ether 1, and okay, ether 4 and ether 5, right, okay. Next VLAN ID 310, trunking tag ether 1, angkat ether 6 and ether 7, right, okay. And last bridging VLAN VLAN filtering on enable, right, okay, okay. um, connect router to IP, create IP DHCP server, IP DHCP setup, okay, right, switch 1, create IP, connect to router 2, create IP address 10.10.10.10 slash written interface one like okay, sorry, like okay, and router one create DHCP server that DHCP setup at the VLAN the interface VLAN 10. Create next okay, and set DHCP setup DHCP setup again VLAN interface VLAN 10. Next successfully and create DHCP server new VLAN 13 next success and okay, okay, router two and router and suite one and suite two success. Check client connect to suite VLAN 10 VLAN 13 and 20. Check access DHCP server IP DHCP IP DHCP. Okay, success. So IP okay. Next PC 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 24 25. Okay. IP DHCP. Okay. Oh IP. Okay. DHCP. Okay. Success IP DHCP. Okay, success. And situ connect to situ VLAN 10 IP DHCP. Success. And next IP DHCP. Success. Okay, success. And VLAN 13 connect to switch to IP. Check connect IP DHCP. DHCP. Okay, IP DHCP. IP DHCP. Okay, Dora. Okay, terus connect to VLAN 20 connect to switch to check IP DHCP. Okay, sukses. IP cek IP DHCP. DHCP. Okay, with this configuration, VLAN can communication with edge other and network can access the internet or core FTR2, Router 2. Okay, success. Next configuration. Okay,
Okay, guys. I'm Musa Ibrahim. I want go to config to VLAN 40, 50, and 60. And first, we go to config VLAN to uh, router 2. We go to router 2. We close only. In router 2, uh, in this, connect to switch 1, ether 3. So we make the VLAN go to Ether 3. Interface this Ether 3. VLAN 40, 40, 40, 40. Apply. Okay. Again for villain 50, 50, interface ether 3. Again, villain 60, 60, and ether 3. Apply. Okay. Wait, we check to uh, running. I'm sorry. I'm takut. Now we make the IP address for same, same, again. Okay, finish. Now we go to IP DHCP server and DHCP setup again for 5G, the last for 60. Okay, finish. Now we go to switch 1 for routing. First we go to inbox, connect to Raman, SW, this same, yes, connect. In here we make the bridge, and fill we checklist, and port we uh, interface go to ether 1 for trunk to ether router 2, and ether 2 for trunk to switch 2, and ether 3 for trunk to uh, what switch 3. Okay, again 3. Okay, we go to bridge, fill tag, and ether 2 because 40 in ether 2. Fly. Okay. Again, 50. Wait. Ah, yes. 50. Same. And 60. 60. This ether 2 and ether 3. Fly. Okay. Because uh, in villain 60, this switch 2 and switch 3. Now the last. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I not make the villain 70. Yes, 70. I'm sorry. Villain 33. Try, okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. We go to this tag same this after 3. Okay. Okay, finish. Now we go to Swiss 2. Swiss 2, yes. Swiss 2 router 2. Okay. Same. We go to bridge. First, VLAN checklist. Wait. We okay. Finish. We go to port. This ether 1 for trunk, and we check to ether 2 and ether 3 for VLAN 40 and ether 4 5 for VLAN 50 and ether 6 and 7 for VLAN 60. Oke. eh Banyak juga ya. Ether 2 VLAN this 40. This 3 or okay. This 3 okay. Now 60 or 2 7 this VLAN finish, but we manual 3 this access 2 and 3 fly. Okay. Same 3 3 4 5 same 60 6 7. Okay, finish. Now we make this switch 3. We win box, go to switch 3. This. Okay, now same bits and VLAN. We go to port. We check to port. Ether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This ether 1. This VLAN now. Ether 2. This 60. This ether 2. This ether 3. 60. This 70. The port 4 and the last 5. The VLAN 70. Fly okay. We go to VLAN. We same go to 60. Target ether 2 and ether 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5. For 5, okay, okay, finish, we check, go to this, IP, DHCP, finish. This one finish, 40, this two, IP, DHCP, finish again, and we check to ping, finish. This 5T, and this 6T, we check, okay, finish 60, and 60 in switch 3, 60, IP, finish again, and the last 70, okay, finish, okay, we close only, okay, we close only, finish it to setting, and maybe enough for me, and continue to my friend.
Yo guys, my name Muhammad Zarfan. I am one configure in here VLAN 18 and 19. First, open router 3, add interface at VLAN 18 and VLAN ID same. Router 2. Yes. Okay. VLAN add a VLAN 19 and VLAN ID VLAN 19. Ether true, Ether 2, and add IP in VLAN 18 and 19. Prefix 24, pay 8, VLAN 18, copy 18, VLAN 19, sorry. Apply, okay. Then go to DHCP server and DHCP setup VLAN 18, next until finish, and the same to VLAN 19 DHCP setup, click next until finish. Okay, in the router 3 is finished. Now setting the switch to wanna make a bridge to client VLAN 18 and 19. Go to Ramon and choose switch router 3 connect, and first bridge 1 and VLAN filtering enable, play, okay, at the port at 1, play, okay, and Ether 2 VLAN 18. Play OK and add same Ether 2 sorry Ether 3 and VLAN ID then 18. Play OK and add Ether 4 and VLAN PVID VLAN ID 19. Play OK and then the last Ether 5 and PVID 19. Play OK. This VLANs, click in here, add add a VLAN ID, can ID 18. Target is Ether 2, sorry, Ether 1, and the target client Ether 2. Ether 2, yes, this VLAN ID 18. The and VLAN Ether 3. Apply OK and add VLAN ID 19, target Ether 1, and target Ether 4 and Ether 5. Apply OK. Now open the client. Right, show IP. You can see I need no IP in here. Then you can from IP DHCP and write this from Dora, and he have IP from VLAN 18. Now now check the VLAN 19 IP DHCP, enter. Now you can see, wait, you can see a segment 19, and I wanna ping from VLAN 18 to VLAN 19. Ping 18 to 4. You can see this like, and ping to internet DNS Google. Nah, let's configure open firewall, filter rules, add action. Sorry. No in switch, but firewall in router 3 filter rule. general chain forwards and action drop play. Okay. Okay. This done. Uh, Now I wanna check configure it's running or not. Be checking client open a VLAN 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Yes. Wait. uh, Can from IP DHCP and wait. DHCP. CP. You can see in PC wait 25 his IP VLAN 10, his VLAN 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Now I wanna ping from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 until 70. Ping. The first I pinging to internet Google DNS. You can see it's successful. Pad times 8. Wait. Hey. Now ping to VLAN 20. Success. And ping to VLAN 30. Success. VLAN 40. Success. And VLAN at VLAN sorry, my bad. 50 success. And now VLAN 60 success. And last pinging to VLAN 70 success. You can see wait, this VLAN 10 pinging to 20 and 30 from 10 to 40, 50, 60, and 70 is pinging or running configure is successful. You can see it's ping to internet from VLAN 10 to cloud and IP VLAN 20, IP VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, and VLAN 60, and VLAN 70. I think enough for me. Thank you for attention.